Hey, you say what's gonna happen next time?
Next time, you ain't gonna beat me one time. Because next time,
I don't know if I'm gonna beat you this time. All right, y'all, we over here by the Joe Tech trailer. Let's see what they got going on in here. Damn, I don't know what that is. I ain't never seen that car. Shit. Hey, man, y'all ever seen that? Y'all ever seen that before? Man, I don't know what that is. I ain't never seen that. I seen her before, but I ain't never seen that. Oh, I know what it is. That's Hello Kitty. This is the way I'm used to seeing it right here.
$812 for Herman.
In my rearview mirror. I know what car this is now. Bro,
still be in the rearview.
Bro, y'all had me fooled.
Did you drag us down the track?
Hey man, I thought it was a new car, man. I didn't know what it was. No, man, I don't want to peek in there. Girl, you riding up in the front? Hey y'all, I'm here with my man, the Cadillac man. He been whooping everybody's butt Cadillac style.
Well, this one still the stock 376. Got some Ford stuff in there. Bigger lower end crank. E85. Good injectors. Real good tunes from DMS. You know, they know what they're doing. So seems like Baily's know what they're doing too.
Hey, man, we gonna find out. All right, let's rock and roll, baby.
All right, man.
My man Cersei, what did you think about the Charger with a Redeye engine and 100 shot of nitrous?
Even in this 3000 DA, it's nasty.
I tried to catch you in the rearview mirror. I knew you was gonna come screaming by me in a sec, so I kept my finger on the button just in case. I didn't even want to play with you.
I was like a bustling behind. Man, I sleeped in this a little bit, man. You own that tree.
You know, hey man, you done won a whole lot of races on the tree too.
Yeah.
You know, against some cars that was a lot faster than you. Man, with just 100 shot of nitrous, it's actually a really, really fast car.
Oh, I know.
So it's definitely an 8-second car. There you go,
know what
brother.
they're doing.
Hey, we'll race again.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, sir. Take care. Thank you, Mama, for letting him race me. This is a bad dude right here.
only if I can have left lane.
You can have left lane.
Cool, no, man, we're gonna open the hood up.
Hey, man, tell us about your car, dude.
Already, so it's a 2005 Subaru STI built by Kraken Motorsports, tuned by Thompson Tuning. We're running the EJ, basically it's a closed deck, running a Super 99 turbo, right at like 50-some pounds. Makes probably right around 1,000. Woo! So it's just we can't get it on the track, dog.
All-wheel drive?
Yeah. But you know, all that means, baby, is more shit to break.
More shit to break.
So this is the guy that built the car.
This is the guy that built it. All right, brother.
And that's the guy that tunes the car.
Okay, so the car that we're gonna race you with, Dodge sent us a Redeye engine for us to build a car and race it in Rogue Hill Nitrous. 2009 Charger. Okay. Threw it in there, and we got that car all together and running, and we put 100 shot of nitrous on it. Go out and have some fun.
Already,
with
brother.
your crack.
Hey, come on,
Hey, man, I love the rap of this thing. It's beautiful, man.
Appreciate it.
Let's do it. Let's make it happen, Captain.
Let's do it.
You want me in right lane?
Yeah, I got left.
You take whatever lane.
Already, appreciate it.
Hey, you say what's gonna happen next time?
Next time, you ain't gonna beat me one time. Because next time,
I don't know if I'm gonna beat you this time. You done pushed me over in this shitty lane.
I'm gonna have my whole crew in your truck.
He done pushed me in the shitty lane over here.
He politely asked.
Well, you know,
he politely told you where you were.
Well, I mean, I asked him for the race, so I had to do something. baby.
Hey, check this out. Hey, check this out. This is yours. Hey,
talk to me.
I almost had your ass, bro.
I know. I was running like.
Hey, I saw you pressing that button.
I said you're gonna crack it on. Let me press this button.
Don't fuck around. Let's do a half-mile event, baby.
Let's road race.
Hey, oh, for sure. Oh, check it out. If you want to run on the street, let me know. I'll trailer the car, go on the road. We'll do like a 60 roll, 60 to 180, 60 to 160, 60 to 170. Just us. I'm gonna pull the shit on you.
Hey, man, hey, man, he ain't dropping his dirty laundry on me. I'm gonna be way in front of that shit. Hey, man, you got a good pass. What you ran?
9.8. You got me about 5 miles per hour.
Hey, man, you just need somebody to come grab your soul.
Exactly.
Hey, you almost got away from it. He's playing right on the Altomo bar. Right with the rest of them.
You had that name.
You lucky I had that go-go.
God damn.
Hey,
I've been trying to tell him, like, let me put a 75 shot.
Hey, man.
He's like, no. I'm like,
look, man. I hate to tell you. I gave you the booty. You got to eat that from the back.
It's all good. Hey, I eat that motherfucker all day, baby. But that your ass was like, hey, I was slipping, baby. Yeah, oh yeah.
That's the best loss we've ever had.
Yeah, for real.
Hey, man, y'all some bad boys.
Hey, man, I appreciate it, bro. Hey, love you too, brother, man. Hey, thank you for the run. Thank you.
Hey, man, tell people where they can find you at, dude. Where you shop.
Kraken Motorsport, Fort Worth, 35 in Golden Triangle, and Dotson Tuning, same place. Yeah. All Subaru needs, tuning, maintenance. They lift them, they lower them, they build them. Shit, I blow them up. You know what I mean? We do everything up in this motherfucker.
If you want to go fast, go get with the Kraken.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.